Hey everyone, welcome back to Carry on Crypto, the daily destination for all your crypto questions. Today we'll delve into a simple yet powerful strategy that can maximize your crypto gains. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is a strategy where you regularly invest a fixed amount of money regardless of the asset's price. The beauty of dollar cost averaging lies in its consistency. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you automatically buy more when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Market volatility can be daunting, especially for new investors. DCA can help investors to overcome the fear of volatility and avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market. Over time, this levels out the impact of market fluctuations, providing a smoother investment journey and can lead to some serious gains. We then have the psychological benefits of DCA. Emotions often cloud investment decisions. Dollar cost averaging removes the emotional aspect, promoting a disciplined and systematic approach to investing, which is crucial for long-term success. The success of DCA comes by not only getting in at the right price, but by also using the technique when selling. Gradually divesting your investment can help reduce the risk of selling at the wrong time, especially within the crypto space that can see dramatic market downturns. In the last crypto cycle, missing the top could have resulted in a devastating 90% drop in portfolio value as we entered the bear market. So how can you implement DCA in your crypto portfolio? As we head into a bull run, let's discuss practical steps to implement DCA, ensuring it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Phase 1 is to choose your target crypto asset. The key to this stage is to only invest into projects that you believe have the potential to grow during this bull run. To do this, make sure you've done your own research and have confidence in the use case, tokenomics, community, or project team. If you need help with this, then please check out our Crypto 101 series for advice on how to select the best crypto assets in your portfolio. Once you've identified your growth targets and the exchange you wish to use, it's time to get to work on Phase 2. Set up a recurring investment with a time frame and value that suits your financial situation. This can be daily, weekly, or monthly. And remember, any investment can go to zero, so please only invest what you can afford to lose. At this point, we enter Phase 3, which is all about consistency. Invest routinely over the coming months to help build your position in your chosen crypto asset. Stay close to the market, but believe in the process and keep the faith during corrections. The Bitcoin halving is due to take place in April 2024, so expect to see positive price action thereafter, leading to a top somewhere in late 2025. At this point, we reach Phase 4, scaling out. Remember, this is not about trying to time the market top perfectly, but about managing risk and securing gains. Different investors will have different goals, but the key is to start scale out of your positions as prices start to accelerate. How much you scale out is up to you and your attitude towards risk. But if we work on the premise that the market will peak in late 2025, this can help you determine an appropriate amount you want left on the table as we move through the bull run. You don't want to be the one left holding the bag when everyone else has taken profits. So remember, the more you make, the more you bank. You have now reached Phase 5. Sit back, watch the market get wrecked, and enjoy your gains. Please remember that navigating the volatile crypto market requires strategic thinking. And despite no strategy being foolproof, DCA is a great technique to use to help maximize your gains along your investment journey. We hope you found this useful. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy hodling, and may your investments thrive in any market.